can see, I'm all windswept. We've just been out for the day during the storm. It was quite fun, but certainly cold and windy. Anyway, here's a quick tour of the room before Mr. Big comes back. We are in the Isla suite, which is very lovely. It has a view over there of the castle. As you can see, nice fireplace, lovely corner sofa, and that is the lovely bathroom. So you walk in here, one sink here, one sink there, and then down there you, if you can still see, the wet room. Wow, a shower. Amazing murals by Kaale. It's just stunning, all done by hand, straight on the wall and the ceiling. Look at that. And the great thing is that we've got this kind of connecting room, so we have our own space. If we close that, oops, this is our own area, and down here is Mademoiselle's bedroom, which I think is called Gwendoline. So very nice as well. Design pieces everywhere, and we all really enjoyed the bed, which was so soft, linen sheets, really very nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.